actually. Mine.
So this is the top of the Iron Mountain. We just got here a few minutes ago.
This is probably, I don't know, 5 or 6 years old probably.
And here are the guys who came here.
Oh, yeah.
There is a Pine Mountain, Dawson Peak, on Baldy.
I'm debating whether I need to gear up a little bit more for the trip down, or...
I don't think she'll sweat as much.
Cucamonga Peak,
Warm.
Ontario Peak,
The sun doesn't look like it's going to burn through anytime soon.
and we can see in the distance the Saddleback Mountain. And somewhere there's supposed to be San Clemente Island and Catalina Island. And there is downtown LA.
I think you can see an island even beyond that one little teeny one out there.
And there is Monrovia Peak and Mount Wilson. And we are back at the True Peak in Baden-Powell. So that looks like 360 circle here.